Hello, welcome back to my channel, and this is Fast Tech. If today happens to be your first time watching any of my videos or visiting my channel, please you can subscribe to my channel. You can like as well and give me a comment at the comment section. Don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you can get notified of any videos I'll be posting here. So today I'm going to teach you how to share your live location on your WhatsApp or on your WhatsApp device. So this is an educational purpose. Please don't try this to harm anyone. So if you're trying to share a location to someone, maybe you're in a crisis, we are going somewhere you don't know, or you are going to do something that you have no idea, you can try to share your location to your loved ones, your family members, or your friends, so they can get to access where you are at any point in time. So first of all, let's try to allow WhatsApp to always view our location. So go to your settings here. Okay, so you can see my WhatsApp here. On the iPhone users, you can see my WhatsApp here. Press on the WhatsApp. Okay, so you see my location is never. So ask WhatsApp to access location always. As you can see, I've just pressed on the always. Okay, so go back to your WhatsApp. Okay, so here is my WhatsApp. So assuming I want to send my location to WhatsApp, this number here, I've saved it to WhatsApp. Maybe I want to send my location to this number here. All what you have to do is to just press on this plus button here. So you can see location here. Press on it. Okay, so use the first option instead. Share live location, not your current location, but use the live location. Okay, so press on OK. So how many hours do you want your location to be on? Or how many hours do you want the person to monitor your location? So do you want the person to monitor it within an hour time, or 15 minutes, or 8 hours time? So I prefer to use it 1 hour time. So that means that you are sending your location to someone to monitor your location at where you are, right? Or you can also access this to either your girlfriend to send it to yourself to monitor where they are. That means where they are going. So you can see I've sent my location. Good. So this means that I've sent my location to WhatsApp. So this means it's going to start from 11. It's going to end at 11:28, and now it's 10:28, 1 hour interval. So that means WhatsApp is going to monitor my location from 10:28 to 11:28. So at 11:28 a.m. my location is going to stop. So when you set it to 8 hours time, that means you calculate the interval range. That means it's going to take it 8 hours. So you can do this to monitor anyone location where the person is going, or monitor where their current situation is. So this is Fast Tech. You can follow me for more videos like this, and then don't forget to give me your comments at the comment section as well. Subscribe to my channel and press on the notification bell to get notified of any videos I will be posting here. Remember, it's for just educational. Thank you and see ya. Bye bye.